welcome to Academies Australasia College. My name is May and I'm going to show you around our facilities today. You can take lift to the second floor and we have accessible toilets right here. I would like to show you our notice board, which is ground floor. Follow me. So this is our notice board. This is a place where we celebrate students' achievements and their contributions to the community. And another interesting event coming up right now is the Halloween. So students are going to design and create their own masks, design it, and we will have acceptance for that. And right over here is our printer. So this is a place where students can actually print out whenever they go. Can we go to the second floor? Let's do it. Here we are on second floor. We have classes, lecturer's office, library, exam department, and conference room. Our classrooms in AAC, they're quite spacious. We have movable tables, movable chairs, and big windows allowing natural lights to shine through. Since tables and chairs are movable, we can arrange them as necessary and turn our class to operate any events easily. Here would be our notice board where we display all the information that the students need. And the next room would be our regular classroom setting. All multimedia equipment are available, as well as computers and projectors. Let me bring you to our library. Our school library is the learner-oriented, where we have different resources that supports the needs of the school community and enhance our school's curriculum. Let's go to exam. Before that, we have our school lockers provided for our teachers on this floor. And exam department and conference room are just right over there. It's strictly no entry to the exam department, but more than welcome to step into our conference room. In the conference room, usually we conduct trainings, meetings, and sharing conversations. Right outside, we have storeroom and accessible toilets for both students and our staffs. Our accessible toilets can be found on all levels at AAC. Let's go to the next floor. Okay, here we are on the third floor. We have different classes running at the moment as well. And this corridor right here, it's where students usually hang out, have their meals together during the lunchtime. So we have a notice board right here so they can discuss about the current event and how they're going to involve in the events. Just right at the corner, we have vending machines for them to have the snacks and different drinks during the snack times. So it's just right here. And another interesting would be to go outside. Here we are in a very spacious outdoor area. This is the area where students organize their activities and participate in different events as well. So this is actually a very fun and meaningful space where we support students to have a better student experience at our AAC. Now we are on level 4. Actually, different classes are running at the same time on different levels. And for this level, I just wanted to show you our computer lab. Our computer lab is always open for students. The purpose is to have their, to do their research or to do the e-learning or any assessment that they have to take online. Let's take a look at another classrooms on this floor. In AAC, usually our classrooms are different in sizes and layouts, but we always ensure that learning needs of the students are carefully considered to enhance their learning. There we have another different classrooms. So the classrooms like this is usually to cater to smaller groups of students. And I'd like to show you another normal classroom. Here we have a classroom with the traditional classroom setting, but usually our teachers are usually engage students in a fun and meaningful way. So if they wish to change settings, they're welcome to do so. This corridor, we have this cozy couch for students to hang out during their lunch break. And right here, we have notice board again, as you have seen on other levels. Another room that I want to show on this floor would be just right here. As you can see, all our rooms are brightly colored, painted, well equipped to create our students' learning journey more lively. And here we have another vending machines on this floor. The toilet, accessible toilet for students and staff. Let's go to the level 5. Here we are on level 5. Actually, there are some students, they are preparing for the activities right at this moment. But before we look into that, let's take a peek at our classroom. So at AAC, all our classrooms are equipped with air conditions, good lightings, computers, projectors, and whiteboards. Now, let's go and see what our students are up to. They are preparing for the events, and it's really exciting. Right this way. Our campus is located right across Singapore's National Library, which is very convenient for our students. Let me show you around. The National Library of Singapore is a national knowledge institution empowering individuals and businesses with knowledge and information as it continuously expands its vast array of reference, collections, and services. The reference library occupies 7 stories, level 7 to 13 at the National Library building, with a startup collection size exceed about 530,000 print and non-print materials. A full range of services like access to electronic databases, documentary delivery service, reprography, microfilm, and audiovisual access are available as well. As you can see, there are a lot of reading and study areas throughout the references sections of the library.
the IT business section, where our students can buy books for reference, which would be very useful for their assignments. Well, let's not forget about our tourism and hospitality students. They can also find plenty of publications, articles, and reference materials right here as well. There are more books for reference here, where our project management student can expand their knowledge and get more information for their projects. Let's look around. Alright, so here in the National Library, they even have a cafe at level 3 where it is open to the public. So this cozy atmosphere here makes it the best place to be in after studying hard in the library.
So this is the end of our school tour. I hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to welcoming you here at AAC very soon. Thank you very much.